afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video. You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Olaoluwa Miracle and I'm the creative director of Mirapsstyles. In case you're seeing my face for the very first time, you're welcome to the channel. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today's video will be about a versatile style that I love so much. So I got a request to actually make this video on how I achieved this style, and I'm sure you will love it. Please don't forget to comment your thoughts and ideas in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. If you want to know how I make this style, keep watching.
I fold my fabric into 4 using my hip measurement as a guide, leaving zip allowance of 1 inch for the back. Marked my waist measurement plus allowance and also my hip measurement plus allowance. So this skirt is just going to be a free one, no darts, no lining, and very easy to make. So I make my length 40 inches because I want it long so that I can have this smoky effect when I use the rope to tie it.
I cut out this fabric for the strap, so I cut out 10 inches wide. You'll be the one to determine the length that you want to use, but the length should not be less than 45 inches so as to get that wrapping effect around your body, and so that you can tie it together. Just make sure it's long but not less than 45 inches. So I think this one is around 54 inches or so. So I cut out 2 of this. I cut out the band. So I used my measurement of my waist circumference plus my sewing allowance. So that's what I used for this, and I cut out 2.5 inches wide. I cut out this piece 1 inch wide. Then you can determine the length that you want. It's just for the smoky effect on the side of the skirt. So it's just the rope that is inside. So you need 4 of this.
For the back piece of the dress, I measured 10 inches. That will be for the zipper. Then I start sewing from there all through. I connected my back piece to my front piece, right sides facing each other. Then I sew the 2 sides all through. Then I also did the hemming of my skirt by folding it twice and then stitch. And for the strap, then I sew all the sides, like I hem all the sides, fold it twice, then I sew. Your folding should not be more than ½ inch, like fold in ½ inch twice. Then I did the same thing for the piece of fabric that will serve as the rope for that drawstring effect at the side of the skirt. I cut out a piece of fabric that is 2 inches wide and the length of the skirt. That will serve as a pocket for the rope for the side of the skirt. I used my zigzag stitches to secure the sides of the fabric so that it won't fray. The next thing I did is to take 2 of the ropes, then I secure it to the side of the skirt by opening the seams of the skirt. Then I secure it with a straight stitch. Then I took the pocket and I sew it like that. Just look at what I'm doing.
I went ahead to sew the other side, and here is what it looks like on the inside. With my scissors, I'll just trim off this Ankara piece. Here is what it looks like on the outside. They are very neat. Then I went ahead to put my zipper. So here is the back view.
I went ahead to add stitch to my band. Remember, we cut out 2. Then I took 1, and from the midpoint of which I notched, I marked 1½ inch. Then I placed one of the strap on it. Then I sew. Just watch what I'm doing here. Please, I want you to watch closely so that you can understand how I placed it with the second band and how I sew it to the skirt. So guys, this is what it looks like, very neat on the inside and also on the outside. So the next thing we need to do is just to add our hook, and that's all. The unique thing about this style is that you can style it in so many different ways. So in this video I'll be sharing with you just 6 ways of which I styled it and I love so much. If you would love to recreate this and also style it in your own ways, feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I'll be dropping my handle in the comment section. Thank you guys for staying true. Thank you for watching to this stage of this video. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have yet to do so. Don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to comment your thoughts and ideas in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you all so much. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.